So how to create a social account from Exness and become a social trader or copy trader. First of all, log into your account, then you can see the copy trading. I will show you the full process with deposit method as well. And then you have to go your my copyright strategy, and here you can see the create new copy strategy. Press on then public strategy. Now you have to select the, it's actually depend on your deposit. If you want to deposit more than $200, then you can see the select the pro, and otherwise you have to select the standard. So I'm selecting the pro and select your performance fee and enter your password. I'm entering my password, and once done, press on continue. Now enter your strategy name here, then press on continue again. Now my account is created. This is my account, and copy this account name and press on make deposit. Now which method you want to deposit? Suppose I am selecting the Binance Pay. Select Binance Pay and enter the amount. You have to enter $200. Now enter your amount. For example, I want to select 250 USD and press on continue. Press on confirm. Now here you can see the QR code. Now go back to your mobile. And open your Binance. And once you open Binance, then top right corner you can see this icon. Press on icon, then again press on this icon. Now scan this code and confirm your payment. It will take your Face ID or verification your process, and once done, it show payment successful. Now go back to your screen, then you can see payment has been made. Now back to merchant. Now all complete. If you go to your copy trading, then my copy strategy, then you can see if you go to your transaction history, then you can see it's under processing. So wait a couple of minutes, 2 or 5 minutes. Now it show it's done. Now go back to your account. Now press on copy trading, then if you go the my copy strategy, then you can see it's available. Now time to log into your account. Open your Exness platform. Now press on file, then log into your trading account, and you already copy your account number. Then make sure go back to your account again, then this is the account, and enter your password, then press on login. Once done, now go to your trade, then you can see your balance is available here. Now you can easily enjoy your trading. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.